Uh, well, except for the major, pero it's 21 million for all of you. Expression of government's full support for continued growth and development. It also represents the overwhelming joy of a grateful nation. I am hopeful that this milestone lights a torch for nation's renaissance in athletic glory. I thus encourage everyone present to continue supporting our Filipino athletes and embody excellence, superiority, and teamwork. Kaya kung may maglapit-lapit yan yung mga droga, patay na lang ninyo yan. Huwag yung sa maraming tao. Sekreto lang. Ganun mo lang yan, tapos lakad ka. May our youth continue to see sports as a viable avenue for the formation of values, resilience, and fortitude. Alam naman ako, I do not pretend to be the most righteous person. We all have feet of clay. Tao lang tayo. Pero ako, may kagaguhan ako sarili ko. Girls, ganon. But, may dalawa ang asawa ko eh. Paano? Kayo, pwede kayo tatlo. Panahon ninyo. Look, this is what it means. May your youth continue to see sports as a viable avenue for the formation of your values. Do not ever think that we are into it, that it is also right for you to do it. Kalukuhan yan. Together, let us maximize and harness our individual capacities as we actively contribute to the building a stronger and prosperous society for the benefit. Alam mo, gusto kong tapusin to. Gusto kong tapusin itong NPA insurgency. Gusto kong tapusin, well, of course, in Mindanao, okay na ang Central Mindanao. Except for yung mga tawag nating bandits. In the old times, they were called brigands. Yung walang magawa, ayaw magtrabaho, and they want money in their hands without even a sweat of their brow. Ito yung mga gago na gusto lang magkapera o the easy money yung drugs, which is really a more dangerous thing for you to do. Ako sabihin ko sa inyo, pagka pumasok kayo dyan, habang ako naging presidente, delikado talaga. Stay out of it. It is the most dangerous activity that you can really mess up with. Mamamatay ka dyan. So, maglayo. Sa sports na lang. Maghanap na lang ako ng pera, mag-training kayo. I don't mind if you don't sleep 24 hours. Basta, just stay clean. At saka yung mga doon, do not mess up with you because I'm going to protect you. Huwag kayong matakot. If somebody, mga durugista, yung mga bugoy-bugoy, alam mo yung mga ganon eh. In any kanto, mag-standby dyan, mag-inom, you can always report it to the police. I don't want anybody loitering in the corners and, people tend to cross the other across kasi maiwasan lang yung tatambay dyan. I do not want it. And the police is listening now. Paalisin mo yan sila. Patulugin mo ng maaga. Kung ayaw mo matulog ng maaga, di gusto mo permanenteng tulog, lagay mo sa drum. Sinabi na nga huwag eh. Sinabing huwag. Isang salita lang. Together, Let us maximize and harness our individual capacities as we actively contribute to building a stronger and prosperous society for the benefit of the future generations of Filipinos. We try to protect you. When your time comes, kung sino man ang maging presidente sa inyo, Mayor, do not allow this, do not ever think na ikaw lang ang pwedeng magloko kasi you have the evil mind. Huwag kayong do not ever think that you monopolize evil. Marami tayo sa mundong ito. Talaga magpata. Ako, evil rin. Ayaw ko man magpunta sa heaven. Gusto ko sa hell. Kasi doon tayo. Tangina ninyo. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang atletang Pilipino!